Marcos Manoto.
Maraming salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa ating mga Ilocano. Diyos tiyak nina na yung magabigat. Sa ating mga Bisaya, daghang salamat. Tama ba? Jamie? Unang-una po, I'd like to thank, of course, ang haba po ng pangalan, but let's just say Yorme Isko. And of course, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Senator Joey Lina, my friend, the talented singer Crystal Bagatsing, my PGIN family, all of my kakailian from Ilocos Norte, sa lahat ng ating kasama sa City Hall. Once again, a very good morning to all of you, and thank you for joining us this morning. Though I know you're not here for me, you're here for Yorme. And of course, my only and better half, Jamie Harrell, thank you for accompanying me. Sa mga marunong magbisaya, siya po ay isang Bisaya. Hindi siya mukhang Bisaya, but itesting nyo, kaya yan. First and foremost, I'd like to thank each and everyone who has made this P2C possible. I recall, Yorme, I visited you on October 15 to beg and request that you welcome us dito po sa ating City Hall. And you were so proud to tell me that you are original KB. And your mother was a loyalist, and you were there when President Marcos Sr. returned. I was not there. I was born po in 1988. Yorme and I are of different generations, but we see eye to eye. Manila is truly lucky to have Yorme Isko. We need more leaders like Yorme, a self-made man who has improved so much, yet dreams to do so much more for Manileños. Someone like me who believes strongly in the importance of good governance and real action. Bilis kilos, hindi bilis salita. Tama po? In 2025, Isko ran on the campaign slogan, "Let's make Manila great again." Does that sound familiar? Yorme, we don't forget these things, and we deeply appreciate you. Kahapon lang po, kasama ko si PBBM. Sabi ko po sa kanya, i-meet ko po si Yorme Isko bukas. Sabi niya, alam mo, magaling siya, epektibo. Pag may ini-implement sa Metro Manila, palagi daw nauuna ang City of Manila. In this sad era of flood control, allow me to conclude on a quote of our shared idol, Lee Kuan Yew. The moment key leaders are allowed to get away with corruption, the moral authority of the government is gone. We need strong and moral leaders now more than ever.
Kaya nandun yung bilis ko lang sa mga sa BGC, meron silang parang ngayon katutungko.
They're just a little bit bottle that we buy from us and they bottle. We'll help you get out of the work, correct?
Ito yung isa, di ba?
This might be your color.
Ito ba yung isa?
Okay, good.
So, libre na to. Libre na. Babay ka yung babae na. Sige na. Okay. Yun o, sabi ko na, mga taga-city o lang unang na-disgrasya rito. Ako. Andun yung empanada. Bago. Okay.
That's a morning party. Parehas lang kami na.
Rice po.
Yes, sir. There's a brown rice. First we made the brown rice. Right? Yes, ma'am. It's a brown rice, ma'am. We don't use the white rice.
Yung caffeine po nito, konti lang yun.
There's no coffee. Wala Just only for brown rice.
I was just telling it's very small.
Lahat doon, nakatanin siya.
It's offered
Doon yun natin.
they wanted to buy. Said, not been a creator though.
And also this one, sir.
It's theirs now.
Berry. Yes, sir. That's prevent for cancer.
That's how proud we are.
Most especially they have
Like the Hawaiians in
arthritis,
the Ilocanos in Hawaii. They always say, we're Filipino, we're Ilocano. Try it. We're like, very realistic.
Project mo pala to? Yung chocolate?
Yeah, we're working on this. Sa Adams. Saan galing ka?
Yes, sir.
Adams, yeah. So Adams is a beautiful small town in the mountains. Very hard to get to, but gorgeous po. And we're able to plant berries, chocolate, kasi sa altitude po.
How about the rest of this?
Sige, malaka po.
You have the barangay foundation, sir.
Ayun, okay din to, malunggay.
Yeah. Ito na.
Ito na, pang KBL.
Happy nice day po, sir. Happy nice day po, sir.
Naalala ko tatay ko nung araw. Paborito ko. Magkano?
100 pesos.
100. 100, 100.
Exactly, sir.
Ay, yung ano, may maliit ka pa dito.
Yes, that's more than that's 60 pesos, sir. Sir, the better the longer, sir.
Ito, magkano?
The bigger, the better the longer, sir.
Wait lang.
Then it's very
Pang,
small.
pang personal kong gamit.
Ah, yes, sir.
Oo, iuwi ko sa bahay.
Parang iba na prices natin yun, ha?
The bigger, the better.
Yes, po. Yes, sir.
Sometimes it's in the performance.
Yes, of course, sir.
When you do better.
I'm 70 po, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. God bless po, sir.
Bayad ko.
How many, sir?
Ito, tatlo.
3. Okay, 230 pesos.
Uy, thank you. Wala ka pa. Thank you. Ayan na.
Sir, ako the James.
Oh, yeah.
I remember, I am very honest.
Oh. 200 na lang.
God bless you, sir.
Oy, enjoy the day. Ito na. Magkano isang ano? 100. See the difference.
Sir.
Maliliit ang
Sir. Very.
hindi yung nahabol sa
For me, science is about 90.
Sir, your
Philippines is important. So even though we, I think, provide about half of our like national but important tayo galing. Actually,
No, it's okay. I'm good. I'm good already.
How about the suka?
Huh? I have already from the other store.
Okay.
Oh, thank you very much for your thoughtfulness.
Thank you.
Magkano to?